Hi, this is Gavin from GJM Energy, and I wanted today to come and show you one of our live installs. So we are over in Milton Keynes, and as you can see from behind us, we've got our install that has started this morning. We had our delivery turn up at 8:15, which is exactly the time that we wanted it, and we've explained to the customer everything that's going on. And we've got Max and Alex up on the roof, just putting the hooks and rails in. They'll be paneling this today. And we've got Caesar, who's doing all of our electrical installation. So with GJM Energy, we know the people that are turning up because they do all of our installs. So you've got a really dedicated, bespoke team that work for us day in, day out. So we're just going to take a little look over exactly what's going on. So we're going to have 8 ACO 480 watt panels, and they are very, very rare at the moment. ACOs, we're really struggling. The whole of Europe are struggling to get hold of these panels, and they are very black and they are a good panel. So let's go and take a little look. We've got a bit of noise going on in the background because the guys are working, but that's fine. So as you can see, we've got the ACO, we've got 8 of these, we've got all the serial numbers logged, so if there was ever a problem, we know exactly which panels are in this batch. And we've got Fox CSS products going in. So we've got a Fox hybrid inverter. This is a 5 kilowatt hybrid inverter with an EP6 Fox battery. And this battery is heated and it's got fire suppressant. This is going outside under a little canopy. And this is great for this homeowner. Let's go and have a little look around the corner and see how they're getting on. So, already, you can see we've got our DC cables that have gone in the roof via a cable entry kit. We've got a DC cable coming down in Copex, so it's nice and protected. And we're going to have our battery and our inverter here with a little canopy over the top, just for a bit of protection from the weather. Customer here, really nice customer. Did his due diligence, so he had multiple quotes. And he's gone with us, and he's going to speak to us later and tell you exactly why. But this customer can expect over the term of this project, he's going to, over 25 years, he's going to save over £28,000 on the price of his electric. And most importantly, he's reducing his dependency on the grid by a massive 83%. So it doesn't matter what happens with prices, it doesn't matter what changes Ofcom make and the government to this, 83% of the electricity this customer uses is going to come from those solar panels and this battery, which is fantastic. As an investment, solar is one of the best investments in the UK right now. So the internal rate of return on this investment is a huge 11%. So, and it's linked to inflation electricity prices. So most people, including myself, believe that electricity prices are only going one way. So these panels are going to generate him electricity for the next 25 years, and he's got his inverter and battery all ready to support him over that period of time.